Okay, so I have just bought myself a ticket to Chandigarh. What a drama. Been sitting up there at the tourist information train ticket depot for the last over 2 hours. And honestly, there were only about 4 people in there. Anyway, then I finally got my turn, and then he says to me I needed a number. So I pick a number. Number was 144, but the damn numbering board didn't change with the numbers. It was always stuck at 134. And mine was 144. Anyway, so off I go. He sends me to the information about this toy train I want to take from Chandigarh to Shimla, and then the guy helps me for about 10 minutes, shows me the computer, gets up, and then he just didn't come back in again. I was sitting there waiting for about half an hour in front of his computer. I turned around and there he was drinking tea and eating peanuts. And well, he didn't come back. Anyway, so now finally I've got a ticket. It was 150 rupees. The ride's going to be about 4 hours. 5 hours long, second class, and I'm outside the train station again. Pretty hectic. I still haven't found my India map from a bookshop. Maybe I should do some more walking around. Might be a bookshop in Paraganj. Anyway. Holy shit, look at all these antennas up there. And here we go again, non-stop beeping. It can really drive you insane for 5 minutes. How the hell am I going to get across? Shit. How the fuck? Hello, how are you? Here we go again. Peanuts. To go. My guest house is way over there. How are you?
Metro. Aaya metro.
I'm starting to get really hungry. Gonna look for a cheap Indian restaurant somewhere here. Get some dal and roti, maybe another tea, and then I need to go back to the guest house and download these videos. I know how to do that, but I have no idea how to edit. Not yet, at least. Puta que pariu. have a tendency to spit everywhere. Be careful. There's a lot of copy shit. Sleeping bags. Nice. Hello. Can't describe the smell. There's incense everywhere, there's tuk-tuk fumes, people smoking cigarettes and ganja, and God knows what else. Camel farts. Yeah, these electric tuk-tuks are making a world of difference, aren't they? Oh God. Oh, sakes. Normal day. It's not even the weekend yet. This is just a normal day in Paragon. Here we go again, the same guy. I remember a few years ago, this street was a lot narrower than this. Same action, but narrower. And even camels walking around here. Camels and sadhus. Sadhus are India's holy men. Some of them naked. I'm still looking for a bookshop. Beeping's gonna make a big difference. Keep some more. Not now, thank you. Not now. You talked to me before.
अरे ये बता, ये जो तू अभी बात हो रही थी अभी
God, I need to get some earplugs. Where can I buy earplugs? There's a pharmacy.
अरे चाचा तुम तो मिला के चल रहे हो